Alright folks, we got a 2014 Jeep Compass. We are doing a cabin air filter. Alright, so it's going to be a couple things here you're going to have to kind of press in a little bit to release. On the left side. Now on the right side, it looks like that there is an actual clip here that we'll have to release. Let's get a screwdriver. A flat blade screwdriver will do, but in this case I'm going to use my trim tool to release this. And then if you fall down, and what you're releasing there is just the little return mechanism here. See that? Just a little return mechanism. Our new filter. Our old one is here. Hopefully you can see back in here. There's two little pieces here. Little clips that you press in on each side. Airflow down. A little bit dirty. A little bit dirty for sure. Get the replacement here. Airflow down. Okay. That in place, then we're going to put our cover back on. Simple as that, folks. Alrighty. Now let's get the glove box back up in here. Got a little return mechanism ready to attach. We'll do that next. Get this side up in here. There we go. So you can just kind of get it started here, get the return mechanism started first, squeeze, and then get it back up in there. And you got it.